Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to introduce you to small friends. So let's see what are small friends and how to use them. Firstly, what is small boss? So our small boss is 5. 5 is our small boss, okay? Then what are the small friends with respect to this boss? First, 1. One small friend is 4. 2's small friend is 3. 3's small friend is 2. And 4's small friend is 1. So these are small friends of respective numbers. And our boss is 5. You won't get this now, but once we see it on Abacus, you'll understand what is the use of this small friends. Now let's see how to use small friends on Abacus. Here we have our Abacus now. First we'll zoom the Abacus. So zooming the Abacus in order to get the shuffle beads on place. Okay, now our Abacus is zoomed. Okay, imagine here 1 is already added. Okay, we have 1 on our Abacus. Now we want to add 4 in it, but there are only 3 beads, 1, 2, 3. So how can we add 4? For that we use small friends. If we don't have sufficient beads at the bottom and we want to add a number that is greater than 3, right? So here we have to add 4. Now let's look at the friend. We have to add 4, right? So what is 4 small friend? 1. We have to less 1 and add the boss. That's it. Now for better understanding of the concept, I'll give you 2 steps, but these are just for understanding purpose, okay? Consider the number to be added or subtracted, okay? And follow these 2 steps accordingly. First step is add friend less boss. Boss means 5, right? And the second step is add boss less friend, okay? These are the keys in order to do sums on the small friends. So imagine that suppose here 4 is present on the Abacus. 4 is already there. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And we have to add 3 in it. So how can we add? We have to add 3. We want to perform addition. So we will follow this rule, second rule. That is less friend means we have to add 3, right? So what is 3's friend? 3's friend is 2. So we will less friend less 2 and add a boss, that is 5. Here is our answer. 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay. One more example, that is, let's take if 2 is there and we have to add 4 in it. Okay, adding 4 means addition. So in addition, what we'll have to do? Less friend, add boss. So what is 4's friend? 4's friend is 1. So less 1 and add boss 5. Answer is 2 plus 4, 6. Another example, assume let's 3 is there and we have to add 3 in it again. So adding 3 means addition. Less friend. What is 3's friend? 3's friend is 2. So less friend and add boss. So 3 plus 3, 6. 5 and 1, 6. Okay. So here is it. Addition. I think you got this. So let's look at subtraction. Now let us perform some basic addition sums using small friends. So let's take first. That is 2 plus 1 plus 2. Then second, 9 minus 6 plus 2. Then third, 4 minus 1 add 2. And fourth, add 8 minus 5 and add 3, suppose. Okay, so let's solve these sums. First sum is add 2. So here we have added 2, then add 1 in it, add 1. Okay, then again add 2. Do we have sufficient beads to add 2? No, we don't have, right? So how can we add 2 in this? We have to perform addition, right? So using this rule we can add 2. First, less friend. What is 2's friend? 3. So less 3 add boss. That's it. Answer is 5. And don't forget the finger movements, okay? Next sum is add 9. Then we have to less 6. We can directly less 6 from 9. That is 5 and 1 less 6. Okay, and add 2. Now again we have to add 2 in this. Do we have sufficient beads left? No. How can we add 2? Less friend. What is 2's friend? 2's friend is 3. Means less 3 add boss 5. Okay, so answer is 5. Then add 4. Adding 4. Okay, then less 1. Less 1 directly and add 2. So what is 2's friend? 2's friend is 3. So less 3 add boss. Answer 5. Again add 8. Then less 5 directly. Add 3. What is 3's friend? 3's friend is 2. So less 2 add boss. So answer is 6. Here we go. I hope you understood these basic sums using the small friends. Now let's see how we can perform subtraction. So assume that we have 6 on our abacus and we have to subtract 4 from it. So for subtraction we use this first rule, that is add friend less boss. We have to subtract 4, right? So what is 4's friend? 4's friend is 1. So add 1 less boss, means this first rule. So our answer is 2. Then again assume that we have 8 on our abacus and we have to subtract 4 from it. So how can we subtract 4? 4's friend is 1. So add friend less boss. Answer is 4. Now let's suppose we have 7 on our abacus and we have to subtract 3 from it. How can we subtract 3? Subtraction. So we have to add 3's friend. What is 3's friend? 3's friend is 2. So adding 2 and less the boss. Here is our answer, 4. I hope you got this. Now let's see some basic sums of subtraction. First, that is 7 minus 2 minus 1. Second, let's take second sum. 4 add 1 minus 2. Then third, add 5 minus 3, add 4. And then fourth, add 6 minus 3, add 5. Let's perform this. So how can we do these sums? Let's take our abacus. 7, adding 7. So here we go. 7 has been added. Then minus 2. Minus 2. We can do that directly. We have already 2 bits down, right? So minus 2. After that, minus 1. There is no bead in order to subtract 1. Then we can use our subtraction rule. Subtraction rule, what is that? Add friend. What is 1's friend? 1's friend is 4. So add 4 less boss. Answer 4. After that, adding 4. Then add 1 in it. Is there any bead to add 1? No. So addition rule, less friend, add boss. What is 1's friend? 1's friend is 4. So less 4, add boss. And then we have to less 2. So how can we subtract 2 from this? Subtraction. Subtraction means add friend less boss. What is 2's friend? 2's friend is 3. So add 3 less boss. Here we go. Answer is 3. Then add 5. Add 5 less 3. How can we less 3? 3's friend is 2. Add 2 less boss. Then add 4. There are no 4 beads. So addition rule. What is addition rule? Add 4. So less friend, add boss. 4's friend is 1. That's why subtract 1, add boss. Answer is 6. Then add 6 minus 3. How can we minus 3? There are no 3 beads, right? So for subtraction, use the first rule, that is add friend less boss. What is 3's friend? 3's friend is 2. So add 2 less boss. After that, add 5. We can add 5 directly. So here is our answer, that is 8. Okay, so here we have performed basic operations using the small friends. I hope you have understood a little bit of it, but as much as you practice, you'll get to know this and it will be easier for you to perform the sums rapidly. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.